Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Veera. In this video I will be showing a iPhone how you can restart. So guys, you guys already know how you can turn off and then turn it on. So that is not the point I'm saying. How you can restart your iPhone. So guys, like you will be long pressing on your volume button and then power button. So that is not the point what I'll explain here, but I will explain you like just one click, one long press on your screen that you can restart your iPhone. Let me show you. In this video you can see I have iPhone 7 with me right now, and in this video I'm gonna show how to restart your iPhone. Let's get started. So guys, I'll show you 3 ways so you can decide which is that. So basically the first option, right side on the corner, you need to click on long press on this. So if you click on that, you get the option power off. So you just need to slide to right and then it automatically power off. Then you need to click on the then you need to power on this button, right? Okay, there is one more option I will show you. Okay, so basically in new iPhones, like volume button plus power button, if you keep that, you will get 2 more options like emergency, then power off, like those options. So if not, you can do one thing, just go to settings, shutdown. You can see, right, shutdown. If you click on the shutdown, you will get an option, same page, where if you click on a power button, right, so it will come to the same page. If you drag it to right, it automatically shut down, and you need to again click on the power button for long press, then it will come back. So that is one option, and the very best option in your iPhone, you can restart without pressing all volume buttons or power buttons. You just need to restart your iPhone. So for that, you can just do one thing. You see, right, there is a one notification on your iPhone that is need to be enabled. So if you see this, you just need to restart without pressing all these. This is a very good feature I can say in iPhone, and you just need to enable that option in your iPhone. So guys, just long press on this. You see, you got restart option here, right? If you click on the restart, it automatically restart. No need to again power on the button by clicking on the long press on this power button, and not required. It automatically restart. This is a very good option in iPhone. Thanks guys.